Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the child locks of your rear seat doors of a Mazda CX-5. First step, we're going to open the car by using the remote control or the key or etc. Then you can open the rear side doors and you can see there is a child lock. If you are switching the child lock lever to the on position, then the child lock is on. We are going to start with off. Let's perform this. This is off. We can open from the inside of the car the door, as you can see. Now let's enable the child lock. Now let's have a seat and try again. Here we can see now the door is locked mechanically. Now it's only possible to open that door from the outside. Now we are locked. We are in a shelter now. Nice. Let's make fire inside. No, I'm just kidding. Woo. We have a problem. Now we cannot leave the car from the inside to the outside. The front side is so far away. The windows we cannot open and close. But this is the case why we are doing that. Because children are now not allowed to extract out of the car. Let's go to the other side. There is the child lock disabled, so we can leave the car here. So take care. If you're using the child lock, you have to think about that it's really locked. Now enable or disable the child lock or enable the door again. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.